Did you know that simply gazing at cloud art shimmering in the rain can lower your stress levels? Recent studies reveal that observing natural beauty, like rain-soaked clouds, triggers the release of endorphins, the body's natural mood enhancers. This visual therapy can reduce cortisol, the stress hormone, by up to 30%. Imagine standing in a gentle drizzle, watching the clouds dance, and feeling your worries wash away. This simple act of mindfulness not only calms the mind but also boosts overall well-being. Next time it rains, take a moment to look up and let nature's art heal you.